Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another mukbang. As you can see, it's underneath the foil. I made this and I made them both, but I did not make this crispy donut. One is jam and my favorite, the glazed. Anyway, so my daughter brought some over just before I started to come and get ready for filming. So I thought, I better bring me tea. Because by the time I get back inside the house, oh gone, vanish, kaput, nada. What's another word for gone, finished? Yeah, uma. Okay, so my first food today is seafood. Ta-da! Yeah, but hey. Seafood. The second one is ta-da! Pork bone and doughboy and watercress. Yep, that's what I made today, guys. I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, so I had some seafood in my freezer and I thought, I don't want to waste it. So how I cooked this, guys, my seafood, I heated the oil, put in onion and garlic, fried it till it gets like brown, the onion and garlic, tossed in some butter, and then put all the seafood, toss it. When it got warm, like I know it's warm, then I chop up the parsley, sprinkle it all over like a chef. Ooh, and then I tossed it. Put a bit of pepper, white pepper, a little bit of salt, and Bob's your auntie. Anyway, and boil up, I washed the pork bone real good. You gotta wash it real good. Then I boiled it for about an hour and a half on full steam. And then what I done, I turned it down low and let it cook some more. And I've already washed the watercress and I had it, waiting on the sideline like a footy player waiting to have its turn, on the field. So the watercress waited, and then when it got a bit tender, the pork bone, I put in my watercress and a bit of salt, bit of pepper. I had already salted the pork bones anyway before it was boiling, and a whole onion. I just peel the whole onion, slice it, chuck it. Bob's your auntie. And I chucked in 4 cloves of garlic. Yeah, I just chucked it in, guys, just for the flavour. Then when everything was cooked, I thought, I'll do me some doughboys. Then I done some doughboys, made 6 of them, and this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Yeah, I don't care if it's not nicely rounded. You can just have it any way you want. Any way you want, guys. Anyway, cheers. Hang on, wait. I'm just going to say my prayer, so then I can feel good that I already thanked the good Lord before I touch any of this food. Okay? Okay, it won't be long. Okay, so the prayer's done, guys. It's always good to thank the good Lord, It should be number 1 on the list before we start eating. And just before you go to sleep, you thank the good Lord for the whole day. The whole day. That He kept you well and safe, Anyway, I apologize to those who think sometimes I sound like I'm having a Bible study. Stop it. Stop right now. Stop thinking like that. But no, when there's a good thing, it's good to tell it, So God is good. Don't know where to start, but I know where to start. I want to start there, but nah, I'll start over here. First, I'll go kipi the kalo. Right. Oh, it's a nice kalo, guys. You know when you fisi the kalo, you don't know if it's susu. Some professional people though, that know what kalos look like after the peel, before the peel, they'll know straight away. Me, I don't know. Only when it's cooked I'll go, susu le kalo lea. And when you have susu kalo, guys, oh, I can't eat it. You know when I first met my husband, I don't know if he knew the difference, because he used to eat susu kalo like, so that's why I think maybe he didn't know the difference, but now he knows. Now he knows. When he sees a susu kalo, like if I buy a kalo and I boil it, he would say something about my choice, and I remind him, excuse you, you didn't even know the difference, because their kalo is always nice, you know, the Cook Island kalo. That's what I think anyway. Anyway, guys, I must give you guys a taste of the kalo. Sharing is caring. Oh, I forgot to drink my water. Cheers, guys. So this seafood, I have scallop, that's parsley, I have mussel, then I have prawn. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. Thank you so much for sending all your congratulations to me. I'm feeling special. I was reading them all, feeling all the love. Thanks so much, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys feel like family? GG family. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Before, my husband, he always you know, asked me, you know, he spent some, you know, he'll say something like, oh, you spend so much money on it. And I go, excuse you, you gotta make it grow, okay? You can't just, what am I going to do? Start off a mukbang on air and go, hi guys, today I have air. I made air, I just woke up, the air was there, put it on my plate, and I got some air here. And my water is air as well. So, guys, I hope you like my air mukbang today. I think that's what my husband was. This man. Anyway, guys. Stop teasing my husband. Gotta have some pork bone. Yeah. Oh, sorry for you guys that don't eat pork at all. So sorry. Look away when I'm going to share with the others that do enjoy pork. Yeah. I want to get you, mate. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck, nice. Oh, I'm professional. I was going to make a soup. Oh, by the way, I got my pork bones from the Kai Drop in St. Mary's. They sell really yummy, big and meaty pork bones. And I got my watercress from there as well. I love going there. I haven't been going there lately a lot. I usually go there a lot, but I stopped going there for a minute because I used to go there and they always didn't have my favourite kidder. But hey, my husband still goes there. And okay, guys. OMG! Look, I nearly got a wrist problem cutting that doughboy. You know what, doughboy? You better stop embarrassing me. There's people watching. Guys, never bite. You know what? My yellow love down. So, excuse me. Ay, ay, ay. Akala apa na boleh. Kakak. Embarrassment. I've had to fall down. So rude. Rude. Anyway, this doughboy, you better watch it, okay? Pai mai alaki kilo mai ka ngaka e malu ma a mai whapia. It's like a big gourmet. It's like a big gourmet. If you guys can recall the other day, I had mentioned that my sister-in-law Jackie, my husband got to talk to her the other night, and they were talking, and then she said that she's been watching my videos. OMG. So, Jackie, in case you're watching this video, my sister, welcome to the YouTube world. Nice to know that you're watching. Have you seen the one with me and your brother? Oy, oy, oy. Did you notice he doesn't talk? I told him he has a lot of beautiful stories to talk about concerning family, his work. But I don't know, once the camera comes on, he is non-responsive. Did I say the right word? Anyway, Jackie, Nere and Whanau, I hope you guys are well. Sister, we were supposed to meet up in Cook Island in June, but because of this evil COVID, it put a stop to many travels for everyone. Well, let's hope that soon it'll be done away with, and then we can meet up. I got my frills when I found out you're watching, sister. I love you so much. I love you, Ngere, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys are keeping well. Okay? You know what? I'm eating with knife and fork, right? But I'm dying to pick it up. And use it. Wait. Prawn and scallop want to come together. So, my husband goes, so if my sister started watching, it's reached my family. Guys, yeah. My sister-in-law, she's 7 Days Adventist, her family, and they don't eat pork like my mum. My mum's 7 Days Adventist too. My love of pork was because my dad, he loved pork. Until he became a 7 Days Adventist himself, it stopped. Yeah. So when I would talk to my dad about pork, after he became a baptized member of the 7 Days Adventist, when I bring up pork to him, he'll go, before he became 7 Days Adventist, oh, you talk about pork, you talk about pig head, you talk about, It always brought a smile to his face. Watercress. Beautiful. The watercress here in Australia, it's not as tender as the one that you get from New Zealand. The one you get from New Zealand, nice. But the one in Australia, you gotta boil it longer to get the tenderness. Sometimes it's not tenderness, but still eat it because the flavour is You know, guys, I had a subject to talk about today. I thought it over and I thought, yeah, okay then. It just completely left my mind. It just completely left my mind. I don't even know what it is. So guess what? I don't think it wants to be told, so I'll leave it alone. Completely gone. Poof. Gone. Gone, caught the bus, gone, caught the plane, and never came back. Rude. These scallops, I know you're not supposed to cook the scallop log. My frying pan, you turn it off and it feels like there's still fire burning from under. Naughty, naughty frying pan. But, oh yeah, and the mussel, I put it in a box from Woolies. They're like pre-cooked but very small. I'm sure it was this size when they bought it, and then it just shrunk, half the size. But what I love about it is that there's orange mussel. Oh, same color as my offal. Can you see the mussel camouflage? Yeah. I love orange mussels because they're sweet. Is that why I wore this jumper? No, I wore it because I was cold. After my shower, it was makadiri. My mum was saying that there was this man in Samoa. He wasn't Samoan, but whenever he got cold, he goes, makadiri. When are the cold months in Samoa? I don't even know, and I'm Samoan. Useless. Anyway, I know the cold months in Cook Island though, because I was there. The last week of June and the first week of July, it was makariri. And lucky, I took one cardigan for the plane, because it can get a bit chilly on the plane. And then if you're fiaolele, to ask the air hostess, or sometimes they're too busy. I can't even be, flagging them all the time. When I was a teenager and I went on a plane, I used to enjoy the push the butter just to see them come and serve me. And that's the time when I used to ask for 2 foods. These days, you get one and that is all you're going to get. Not like before. You ask for another one and they will happily give it. I wasn't shy. I was never shy to ask for second serving. I know, eh? Well, you know what? Air New Zealand, I used to love it when Air New Zealand used to give you a hot cloth when you first get there and you wipe your face. I used to think it was wash your hands. I used to get to wash my hands and my dad would copy it. Then I look over this other time and the Baalangis are wiping their face and I'm thinking, oh, okay, next time. So that's what I done. You know, sometimes sometimes you have to follow what Balangis do, because I think they know life on the outside world more than we do. But you can never take a Samoan out of a girl that is Samoan. You can never take poly out of a person that's poly, right? Well, unless you get those few Balangi ones. Hey, shh, don't be like that to those few Balangi ones. Stop it. No. Each to their own. Each to their own, guys. If you want to feel Balangi, good on you. You know why? It's not a bad thing. Okay? This colour's good, guys. Wife material I am. Wife material. Man, I know you guys, they don't eat pork, don't want to hear this, but this pork is delicious. Nicely cooked. See, this is what we have to thank the Lord for blessing us with food, blessing us with everything. Sometimes my husband and I will be driving. It's actually a colourful front yard of someone's beautiful garden, colourful rose. And I'll say to my husband, you know what, darling? God is good, isn't he? And he'll say, oh yeah. Okay, look at all those colourful flowers that he gives us to admire, to purify our lives, eh? You know, and then we start talking about the Bible, about God, how loving he is to bless us with so much, you know, in our lives. Oh, guys, I'm eating like a princess. Let's go. I'm a chef today. Chef today. Anyway, and since my my celebration for reaching 10,000 subscribers, from then I think it was 2.5 weeks ago, and now I got extra 3,000 subscribers. Wow, what awesome people you guys are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, guys, I love doing YouTube. And that's the honest truth. I love doing it. I look forward to it, you know, because I feel that I'm eating with my family, my YouTube family. I do have family that watches. I want to say hello to my our favourite cousin. He's like a brother to us because he lived with us, you see, and his name is Blecky. So I want to say hello to Blecky, his wife Aroha, and their daughters Sade, Ngapare, and Salah. So nice to know you guys are watching, guys. Oh, cute. You good. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment for me. I'm so thankful. Anyway, guys, maybe you guys can see this piece of paper here and think, what's that piece of paper on the side there? Who's asking that? I would tell you. Okay, guys. I know. I want to shout out, hang on, see if I lift up again. Anyway, so, Talake asked if I could shout out her grandparents, Kaipati and C. She said that I hope you're a she. I don't want to say you're a she and you're a he. But anyway, I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Thank you. Don't think I don't appreciate you guys. I really do. But here's a little favor that I want to ask you guys, please. Since I started my channel, guys, Easter Soli has always like gone around and supported our channels, and me being one of them. And I would always say, guys, start your channel. Guys, start your channel. And she had said to me that she would, and now she has started, guys. And I want you guys to please, if you don't mind, going and supporting her channel, going to subscribe to her. I'm sure she will really love that. She does mukbangs with her sister Yana, and which is called Easter's Eats. But guys, her name is Easter Soli. If you guys can please go and show her some love. They just started, guys, so if you guys see anything, please just show some encouragement and leave some uplifting conversation for them to read, please. Thank you so much. You know, I just want to show this girl Easter some support, because she's been supporting our channels since I started. She's been so loyal. So please, thank you so much. Well, that's it. Hey guys, if you guys ask me to shut you guys out, no, I said I would. Sorry guys, because sometimes, you know, my notepads and stuff, oh, it goes for a walk. It goes hop on the train, go on the bus, goes and doesn't come back. So, okay guys, so yeah, don't be like that. Wailua. Oh yeah, I was asked, what does wailua means? Oh well, I did explain what it means. It means, wailua means, you know, okay? Is that alright? Yeah, something like that, eh? Okay, wailua. Yeah. Yeah, she said I always say it on my videos. Yeah, see, wailua. Oh. That just came out. So she's right. She said on all my channels, she said in all my videos, I always say wailua, and was curious what it means. Anyway, carry on eating. This is how I normally eat. Not with this, not with that, but with my hands. Especially when it's pork bones, because you want to pick it up and you want to eat it. Doughboy. Anyway, so if you guys don't have any pork buns and you guys enjoy eating pork buns, yeah, well, and you live in New South Wales, yep, find you some pork buns. Or if you live near St. Mary's, drop into the car drop and get you guys some. It's so good, guys. Hey, if you guys don't want to get hungry, get you some food and sit on the other side of the table. Oh, I'm glad I bought this tomato sauce. You know, when you got those kids that's really supportive to you, it really means the world. I have really good kids. I do. One or two of them can be a headache, and they know which one they are. But they know, if they need their mama, mama's always there. Yes, I will tell them off if it's bad, but I'll still be there for them. I still have their backs, because that's what mums should do. Anyway, guys, I got my donut. I'm gonna take a bite of my favorite one. Oh yeah, on Facebook, someone, Esse showed me a little video of my video being on his TV, and I thought, oh, so that's what I look like in some people's houses. I'm on a big screen, and I think, oh, is that what I look like? How embarrassment. Oh wow, you guys are so awesome, and I really, really, really feel that connection with you guys. You guys are my family, Polytube family, YouTube. Fasoi 4 guys. Yeah, O loa, wa umale kako fongo ngai aso. Ai koe o mai, ka loa le 5 salau kai au. Ia ko mai la ia kako e maka mai ma kako Eva, mai loa. Yeah, okay. There goes that way loa. Take care, guys. You guys are awesome. Faso for God bless.